I dropped fries.
Look at the poor fry all over. And Alyssa is trying to.
I'm afraid I don't want to get
No,
God,
you get shocked by that. You don't get it. You get a plastic one.
Really? You get shocked?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yeah, but it gets really hot.
So what? Give me it.
Oh my god. You know,
That's
this is going
exciting.
on. This is going on Facebook.
Oh my god.
Or on Twitter. No, Yahoo. How are you doing that, Shelby?
I don't know.
And it's 3:50 in the morning. Getting a friend. Okay.
Man, I don't know.
Wait, eat
Oh,
it.
gosh.
I dare you
I don't
to
wanna
eat it.
Eat it. No.
Yes, eat it. I dare you.
Okay, now someone has to get the
Ew.
one out there.
Where is it? And my fries are cooking. Jesse Silva, if you're watching this, just, I don't know. I'm kind of high right now, so.
Oh, there's a fry on the ground.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Nice going.
See how Shelby's so
Shut up!
Shut up!
Ow! I got burned! Shut up!
You guys don't know how to handle fries and
It won't come out.
oh man, her dad's come down.
Is it real? Is it real?
Yeah? For real? I'm joking. Get up bed.
I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
Why me?
Because you're the one that won the prize.
Yeah, but I'm not the one that
Shut up.
dropped in there. Oh, I think my fries are almost done.
That one looks like it has ice on it, so.
Well, until we got that down. So yeah, bye. Say bye, Shelby.
Bye.
Bye.